In the 2025 Bihar Assembly elections, Congress faced a harsh reckoning. After mounting a grand campaign, Rahul Gandhi's 1300-kilometer Voter Adhikar Yatra, the party ended up winning only just 6 seats out of the 60-plus seats it contested. It was a blunt reminder that voters in Bihar were simply not buying what Congress was trying to sell. The Yatra was supposed to re-center Congress as a force for voter rights. Instead, the party leaned heavily on the false claims of vote chori, accusing the Election Commission of erasing voters. But once the march ended, there was no visible follow-through, no sustained development promise, no coherent roadmap. Leadership seemed to vanish, leaving the state unit rudderless. Meanwhile, the National Democratic Alliance (NDA) surged, winning 202 out of 243 assembly seats. Their dominance made Congress struggle even starker. Despite its long organizational pedigree, it could not convert its presence into influence. Voters appeared unimpressed by the narrative tactics. They wanted substance, something Congress has always failed to deliver. Bihar election 2025 wasn't just another electoral loss for Congress. It was a decisive rejection of Rahul Gandhi's inconsistent and hollow style of politics. Voters refused to buy a leadership that works for cameras but disappears when real work begins. They rejected a party that shows up during elections but stays absent when development, governance, or accountability are on the table. This provincial humiliation only adds to a much larger national decline. The Congress party currently has just around 640 MLAs across India, down sharply from approximately 753 MLAs in 2022 and about 727 in mid-2018. Decades ago, Congress held far more. In 1989, it had roughly 1,877 MLAs, and in 1974, as many as 2,253. Today, it governs only in 3 states: Karnataka, Telangana, and Himachal Pradesh. The mandate in Bihar makes one thing unmistakably clear. Congress has not only lost relevance in its campaign game, it's hemorrhaging influence across the country. In the end, the people didn't just reject Congress in one state. They dismissed a once grand party as politically irrelevant.